Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on what time you're watching or listening to this. Igama lami uNompumelelo Ngcobo, yona nganye intombi yaseMapholobeni. And of course, you guys are tuned to your favorite channel, Segu Njalo TV, where we get to teach you about the norms and culture of everybody who lives in South Africa. This is a platform that presents our stories and brings global perspectives to Africa. Kunjalo nje siyatholakala nakuwo wonke ama-social media platforms. Sikhona ku-TikTok, sikhona ku-Facebook, sikhona ku-Instagram @sekunjalo TV/channel. Njengoba sengishilo, igama lami uNompumelelo Ngcobo, yena kanye intombi yaseMapholobeni. Adios.
Sangena singaqali. Sithi sekunjalo. Igama lami ndingumthembisi wakwaMagavu. uMacGyver, uGaviscon, Govland, anything, everything with a G. Sanamkela ke kusekunjalo TV channel yakho flexible. Siniphathela yonke into uyafumaneka ke ku YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, everywhere. Safumana na Instagram na ku X bathi nguTwitter. Apha ke namhlanje sise Eastern Cape kwindawo yaseNgqeleni kwisigodi nje sasemqwangqweni. Sinabahlali apha bakhalaza bathi kulakhiwo lendlela esuka eKopshop eya esibhedlela iCanzibe kuqeshwana ngokwaziwana. Namhlanje ke sinonkosi, sinoceba nabahlali abamelwe kumnumzana uNqeketho. Emva kwebreak sothi sive ke uba intoni kanye unobangela wale ngxoba. Enkosi ungayindawo.
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya. Siphinde sinamukele futhi ohlelweni lethu lushasha isekunjalo channel. Lo enihamba naye namhlanje ngoAmahlwa kaZondi ohamba noMiss Khuzwayo osibhalele ngaphansi kwehlelo lethu kwitopic yethu wangegila umuntu. Sizothatha ithuba silinikeze yena asichazele kabanzi ngokuthi ugilo ubani, umgile kanjani, kufike kanjani kulesikhathi ukuthi baze bagilane.
Dimalang sanibonani abuseni ke amohela mona ne la rona la Sekunjalo TV channel. Re hatsa ka otlula marandang a rona a Facebook Sekunjalo TV channel, X Sekunjalo TV channel, Instagram Sekunjalo TV channel, hape le YouTube ke Sekunjalo TV channel. Etsa re kopane le rona mane ho WhatsApp nomoro tsa rona ke 073 270 7412 nomoro ka dipheta ke 073 270 7412 la ka lebitso ke hot Thobatsi. Sekunjalo TV channel ke TV channel e leng hore e ya qala e ya fihla enchacha. Etsa hore wena o mo leng teng o dule fatshe o je monakala di wa ke bolele o tlo reja ka tsebo bana re tshwaretse taba tse monate tse leng hore di amana le wena everyday mo leng hore ntwe da etsahala mo dulang teng me he o tseke ba sutha hobane kana le wena
sengenile sengaphakathi siyanibingelela babukele emakhaya igama lami nguThobile okwadladla siyanibingelela ku channel yethu entshasha okungusekunjalo TV channel. Babukele emakhaya siyatholakala ke kubo wonke ama social media platforms, siyatholakala ku TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, kanjalo na ku YouTube. Cela ke niye lapha qala before nginitshela ukuthi nginiphatheleni namhlanje. Cela nipress lapho subscribe button. Ningakhohlwa phela babukela ukupressa no like lapha yana. Ke ngiza nohlelo lumnandi kakhulu oluzonijabulisa lithi wangigila. Sinobhuti ke namhlanje othi wagilwa intombazane emva kwetoro. Hlalani kanjalo babukeli siyabuya.
Sanbona, Molo, hello and welcome to Sekunjalo TV channel. A channel that ignites only the topics that matter. I'm your host, Park Amani, but you can call me Blackstar. On Sekunjalo TV channel, we'll be diving into the worlds of politics, social issues, and creative arts. From the latest developments in government to the stories of unseen heroes. From thought-provoking art to innovative ideas, we will explore it all. So if you are ready to engage, inspire, and be inspired, then you are in the right place. Let's spark the meaningful conversation and create a platform for voices to be heard, cause Sekunjalo TV channel is here and we're just getting started.
Sanibonani Mzansi, my name is Phumelele Twala and this is Sekunjalo TV, where African stories are told with truth and pride. We will bring you content which is informative and connects Africa to the world. Please do stay tuned in as we will be bringing stories which will educate, inspire, and entertain. This is Sekunjalo TV, Africa's voice, Africa's future.